Hi friends, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I am here tonight to do the promised giveaway video. Now this is the one where I'm telling about the giveaway, and then the next video will be the giveaway, the actual giveaway. So what I decided, I asked for comments from people and they gave me some great ideas. So I'm doing a combination of what was suggested for this giveaway, and I want to thank all my subscribers, and I really appreciate you. And this is the journal I thought I would give away this time. I'm going to do a giveaway for every 100, when I reach every 100 subscriber mark. So I'm at 100 now, and then when I get to 200 I'll do another one. So I hope I get to the next one fast so I can do another giveaway, because this is very fun. So this is a journal that is a traveler's notebook. It's standard size, 4 1/4 by 8 1/4. It has a pretty kind of satiny ribbon here for the closure, and it is I would call it a blank journal. So that is why I'm including what I would call a kit for you to have fun with and decorate it. So what I have here is it was kind of a summery theme that I did on this one. It's got butterflies and watermelons on the outside of the cover. It's kind of a cardstocky cover. It's got coordinating baker's twine closure, and I'll just get started with a flip through on the inside. The inside front has a pocket here with a journal card, and you'll see a lot of space for writing and putting in whatever you want to put in on the blank pages. A heart doily. It's mostly scrapbook paper. I've got a little pocket here and a paper bag with a journaling card or a tag there. Some other little goodies in here. Got a collage flower and a tag in there, and then just different stickers and different patterned, pretty colored scrapbook paper. This is a short page with a little collage flower there and a tuck spot, and an envelope here with which you can tuck some things in here. I got the word hello there with a sticker, and as you can see, just pretty papers in here that says good things, a little sticker there. I've got a butterfly rubber stamping here. This is the middle. I've got a couple of stickers here on the pages and a pretty butterfly in the middle. I've got the strings here left long, and on the top one here I've got a kind of a little bead and charm that says live on one side. It just says live, and a pretty coordinating bead on there. And just the back half of those papers, a little arrow sticker, an envelope here, the other half of the envelope that you can stick things up in there, some pretty little heart and star stickers, another little tuck spot here, a couple little stickers down there. That one says be happy, a little tuck spot here with a couple of tickets. The other side of the paper bag with a journaling card in here. And let's see, where are we? Rubber stamped flower, heart doily, and a belly band with a big journaling card there. And we're at the back with a pocket and a journaling card and a kind of like a 3D flower sticker right here, a little gem in the middle. So that's the back, and that's the journal. And I'll just show you the goodies I have that are coming along with this. I've got right here some of the goodies. Some little die cut flowers here, different colors, a little bunch here, some little dots, paper cutout dots, some 4 coordinating buttons, a little silk flower with a pearl, two pins and this little right here, little thingy bob. And over here I have, this is a bunch of little papers and journaling cards and things. So I've got a bunch of little tiny tags here. And let's see, put those to the side for a second. A little circle, some bigger circles out of book pages, die cut flowers, a craft cardstock tag, a bigger tag, a pink tag. And let me just put those over there for a second. Some journaling cards. Now this, a lot of these cards came out of the same paper pad as that cover there on the journal, so they're all in that. See, these have watermelons like the cover, these two, and this has strawberries, avocado, bananas. This is a flashcard. And let me see, some labels I thought you could have fun with, a note paper, a coin envelope that I made out of some junk mail that I thought was pretty with the red and blue. It says Yelp right there. I thought that was cute. Some coffee dyed scraps. An envelope that's been sewn all the way around and sewn on a little bit of paper there for decoration. Some coordinating napkins that also has butterflies and flowers, and it's the same butterflies that are on this bag that everything is going to hopefully fit into. So let's see, is that everything? Oh, I've got some satiny ribbon here that looked like it coordinated with the journal, and some fun colored washi tapes that I thought you could have fun with, that whoever gets this journal. So I hope you could see everything, and that's it. So the giveaway, to enter, just comment under this video with the word enter and leave me, I would like to ask a question, and if you could answer this question in your comment where you put enter. What is your favorite kind of video to watch? For instance, a flip through of, the finished journals, process or like tutorial, or a progress. And by that I mean, like, I'm not showing you or doing a tutorial. I'm saying, hey, I'm making this journal. Here's what I've got so far. I've done this cover like this, and I've used this paper pad or this kit, and I've made these pages, kind of a halfway finished journal, so you can see like what's been used, and it would make it shorter. Instead of one long video explaining the kit and every little thing in it, maybe 2 videos, a progress and then a flip through, something like that. So if you could let me know, and if I didn't give you a choice that you can think of as your favorite video, just feel free to leave me your suggestions. And then and like this video and be a subscriber. So that's it. I'll put those requirements under, in the description under this video when it gets uploaded. And the giveaway will be, I want to give everybody plenty of time, because I know sometimes I don't have time. Sometimes there's a giveaway before I even had time to watch the video to enter. So I'm going to, I don't want to drag it out too long, but I want to give everybody time to see this video and then enter. So I thought maybe not this weekend, but the next weekend on Saturday night, I'll try to do the giveaway, and so that should work out well for everybody, hopefully. And good luck. I hope you all enter, and I can't wait to get it done. So thank you for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you. I mean, I couldn't even believe I got to 100. So This is awesome, and thank you for watching tonight. Everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.